First, I just want to wish all the women out there a happy Labor Day. Thanks for giving birth, because if you didn't, many of us wouldn't be born today. So today it's about speed. I'm going to show any new smart TV user how to search, find, and install an app. So you can do it at the tippy top, but that's going to be movies, TV apps, all mixed together. So the quicker way is you hit the home button on your remote, and as you can see at the very bottom, if we scroll to the left, you got regular search for everything, and then we got strictly apps. So now we're strictly in business, and it's going to open up all the apps they recommend, the editor's choices, all that good stuff. Go to the tippy top, and we're going to do the app search. So I'm just going to search and install Pluto TV, which I highly recommend, guys. And we'll see how quick we can download this puppy and load it up. So as you can see, it's already at the top. And we just go to the right, Pluto TV. It is free. It's out of this world. And we can see some screenshots on the bottom to make sure we want it. And yes, we do want it. So we're just going to install it. And it's installing already at 100%. We can add it to the home page or just open it for now. So let's just open it up and check it out. That's actually pretty cool background, pretty crazy. Bam! There we go, guys. We're already on Pluto. We get over 100 free channels. Spotlight, TV Land, CSI, AMC. And I am going to do a second video, guys, on an overview of how to use Pluto. But this was just a little speed thing to show how you can download an app in under 2 minutes. So please like and subscribe to my video and enjoy the rest of your day. All right.